I did Rex in my first year. When I was reading through the mentors, I basically just looked for keywords, like psychiatry, psychology, dopamine, and I found this one guy, David Lindenbach. And he's a postdoc in a lab at UBC. He was mainly the guy who I wanted to work with. Come November, David Lindenbach gets to be my mentor, and I was like, this is perfect. He really encouraged us to research and come up with a topic that was something that we could be proud of and engaged in. My research partner and I put together this project about the connections between dopamine levels in certain parts of the brain, aspects of memory consolidation. Presenting was definitely my favorite part because I'd never done a formal presentation like that before. It was interesting because there were different types of people coming by. I mean, it was a multidisciplinary conference. In some cases, you had to be more detailed than in others. It really gave you like this broad understanding of how to convey scientific information to someone who isn't necessarily in your field. My research partner and I, we sort of chatted with him once we finished the project, and he said, if anything comes up, I'll let you know. A few weeks later, in comes an email from him. He basically said that it would be cool if we could just kind of learn what it was like to be in the lab to help him out with this project. I immediately said yes. I'm currently working at this lab. I didn't have to prove my work ethic or anything when I was first coming to the lab because he'd already seen it through rec. Even if I had asked to join another lab, he would have been a reference. It's such a great way to apply all these things that I learned through this project.